Animals Discoveries. Introduction. If you wanted to find a new animal species, where will you look? You might look in remote corners of a globe. You might also look under a microscope to see how one species is different from another. Scientists discover more than 15,000 animal species each year. That's 1% of the more than 1.5 million species we know about already. At the same time, species are dying out at record rates about the globe. For this reason, when we stumble on new species, it is an important discovery. Monkey mania. In 2007, a new species of monkey was found in forest of Democratic Republic of the Congo. The lizula has large eyes and is shy and quiet. The first one found by scientists was being kept as a pet. The Calcutta titty monkeys live in the Amazon jungle. With about 30 other species of titty monkey, the Calcutta is known for its bushy red beard. It doesn't have white bar on its forehead, and other titty monkeys do. Its babies purr like cats. Only around 250 Calcutta titty monkey are alive today, meaning the species is endangered. Freaky fabulous frogs. The Matinero mouthed frog is the size of the pea. It was discovered on Borneo, an island in Southeast Asia, in 2010. It turns out that scientists had seen this frog before but thought they were young of a different species. When they heard the frogs calling, since only adult frogs may call, they realized that these tiny frogs must be full grown. The herpetologist discovered the long-nosed tree frog in 2010 while exploring the Foja mountain of Guinea. The area is so remote that it has been called the Lost World. This tree frog is known for its long, unique nose. When the male dog calls, its noise poised up like a strike. When the frog is done calling, its no its its nose falls. No one knows why. The frog has another name, the Pinocchio frog. The herpetologist spotted it sitting on a bag of rice in his campsite. Furry find. Another find during the 2010 Foja Mountains trip was the blossom bat. All the bats are mammals, but this one has been called hummingbird of the bat world. It does a long tongue to drink nectar from flowers of forest trees. During a 2005 ex- ex- expedition to another island, Madagascar, researchers found Goodman mouse lemurs, not much bigger than mice. These tiny lemurs jump, jump around the trees at night. In the daytime, they sometimes sleep in empty bird nests. Interesting invertebrates. Scientists estimate that vertebrates, animals with backbones, make up only 3% of all species. The remaining 97% of animal species known to scientists are invertebrates, animals without backbones. Zazima terratula has a special beauty: dark blue body almost glows. This fantastic arachnid has an extremely limited habitat, only living high in the mountains of Brazil. The troll-haired planthopper was discovered in 2013 in the rainforest of South America. It may not be good-looking, but at least it has good hair. The wild hair isn't hair at all, but instead was the secre- secretion from the insect's belly. The predator attacks, the hair breaks down, and the plant hopper can jump to safety. That's what scientists think anyway, but they aren't sure. Underwater wonder: scientists discovered the Gorgon Head starfish in 2010 in the Atlantic Ocean, about half a mile beneath the surface. The Gorgon's Head, a species of basketball star, has five curly branching arms that split off from its body. The five arms include as many as 5,000 tips. The tips have find food floating by in water. It also uses its arm to walk along the ocean floor to protect itself. Since Earth's oceans are so huge, large parts have yet to be explored. However, that's not the reason it took until 2013 to discover the walking bamboo shark. Like most sharks, the walking bamboo shark is no threat to humans. It lives off the coast of Indonesia. Scientists discovered it because the coloration differs from that of other bamboo sharks. This new species is thought to reach out 30 inches in length. It uses its fins to push itself along the ocean floor in search of food. The wiggling movements make it look as though the shark is walking, hiding in plain view. In 2013, researchers discovered that for more than 100 years, Olangitos had been identified as the wrong species. These mammals, which like teddy bear, live through trees at night. The smallest member of the raccoon family, the Olanguito can be found in the Ecuador and Colombia. It is it is the first species of this type to be discovered in the Americas in 35 years. Finding new species of birds is almost as rare as finding new mammals. In 2009, researchers discovered in Cambodian killer bird near the city of Phnom Penh. Tests show that tailor birds was separate new species. Besides studying its DNA and feather, scientists study its pretty song. While tailbirds warble, no two species sound quite the same. Sure enough, The song of the Cambodian telebird set it apart from all the rest. What's next? Scientists can continue to amaze us by finding new species. Experts agree that most have yet to be discovered. However, those animals we have discovered bring some problem to light. For example, many species have tiny population. Human activity causes many species to face small and shrinking habitat. Yet each new discovery is also calls your hope. It can bring a renewed effort to save and even restore a habitat. Doing this can save can save the animal that lived there, both those we know about and those we don't know about yet.